Hello students, in the previous session we had discussed the questions of exercise 5.2. We shall continue with exercise 5.3. These are the questions related to sum of the arithmetic progressions. We shall see the first question. Find the sum of the following arithmetic progressions. There are 4 sub questions. We shall solve one by one. In the first question we have the progression as 2, 7, 12 so on to 10 terms. Here the value of n given is 10 because 10 terms. A value is 2. Common difference we can find it out. Second term minus the first term is 5. So we can find sum of n terms using the formula Sn equal to n by 2 times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S10 will be the sum of 10 terms. So 10 by 2 multiplied to 2 times of 2 plus 10 minus 1 multiplied to 5. So this becomes 5 times of 4 plus this will be 9 multiplied to 5, 45. So 5 times of 49 we get it as 245. This will be the sum of first 10 terms of arithmetic progression 2, 7, 12 so on. Let's see the second question. Here all the terms are negative. It is like a decreasing type of arithmetic progression. Here the first term is minus 37. Common difference is second term minus the first term, so it becomes minus of minus 37. The result is 4. So the sum of 12 terms we need to find. So let me use a formula. So directly I will write it is n by 2, it is 12 by 2 times of 2a, 2 times of minus 37 plus n minus 1 is 11 multiplied to common difference 4. So S12 will be equal to 6 multiplied to minus 74 added to 44. Minus 74 plus 44 will be minus 30. So the sum of first 12 terms of this particular arithmetic progression is minus 180. Let us see the third one. Here we have decimal form 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 so on till 100 terms. So yes, 100 we need to find. The given value of a is 0.6. Common difference is second term minus the first term. We get it as 1.1. Therefore, by using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, I need to substitute to find the 100th terms. It is 100 by 2 times of 2a, 2 times of 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 is 99 multiplied to 1.1. This will be 50 multiplied to 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. When we simplify this part, it is 110.1. Yes, it is 50 times of 110.1. On multiplication we get it as 5505. This will be the sum of first 100 terms. In the fourth question we have got like a fraction. Here the first term is 1 by 15. The common difference is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. The LCM will be 60. So we get it as 1 by 60. In the numerator it will be 5 minus 4, so it is 1 by 60. Sum of 11 terms we need to find. So S11 will be 11 by 2 times of 2a, 2 times of 1 by 15 plus n minus 1 will be 10 multiplied to the common difference 1 by 60. Here I can cancel this 0. So S11 will be 11 by 2 times of, this will be 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. We need to find the LCM, and the LCM is 30. So 11 by 2 times of, when it is 30 we will be getting 4 plus, this will be 5. So 11 by 2 multiplied to 9 by 30. Further we cannot simplify this, or we can simplify, we can simplify. 3 3s are 3 10s are, we will be getting the result as 33 by 20. This will be the sum of 11 terms. Second question, find the sum of the sums given below. 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 plus so on until 84. What does 84 refers to here? This 84 refers to the nth term. So let me solve the first one. In the first one we have got the first term as 7, and the common difference will be the second term minus the first term, 10 and a half minus 7, which will be nothing but 3 and a half, in other words 7 by 2. And the nth term is the last term here. Here the last term refers to last term of this sequence. One of your friend had a doubt. He was having a doubt that can in arithmetic progression have the last term, will it be the end of the arithmetic progression? No, it is not the case. According to the given question, the last term is the last term of that sequence. Here the sequence which are given here are finite type of sequence. So an will be 84 here. We have learned a formula that Sn is equal to n by 2 times of a plus l. This last term is an. I can write it as l. But then to use a formula I need the value of n. How many terms are there is not known to us, so we need to find that first. So let me use an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In this case an is 84, a is 7 plus n minus 1 into the common difference is 7 by 2. So upon simplification we get n minus 1 times of 7 by 2 equal to 84 minus 7. (84 minus 7 is 77, so n minus 1 will become 77 multiplied to the reciprocal 2 by 7, so n minus 1 will be 22, n will be 23. Now we can find the sum. We can use a formula n by 2 times of a plus l. We have all the numbers, so S23 will be 23 by 2 times of the first term, which is 7, plus the last term, it is 84. We get it as 23 by 2 multiplied to 91. Further on simplification, we will be getting it as 2093 by 2. We can write as it is, or else we can express in a mixed fraction. It is 1046 1 by 2. This will be the sum of 23 terms. In this case the number of terms were not given, that we need to find first, then we have to find the sum. We shall solve the second question now. In the second question, what is the first term? First term is 34. What is the common difference? It is 32 minus 34, negative 2. Nth term is 10. I need to find out the value of n, then sum of number of terms. So let me solve it here. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute. An is 10, which is equal to first term plus n minus 1 times of d is negative 2. So n minus 1 into negative 2 will become equal to minus 24. On transposing positive 34 to left hand side, it becomes negative 24. So n minus 1 will be 12, n will be 13. So there are 13 terms. So sum of these 13 terms is n by 2, which is 13 by 2 times of a plus l, 34, plus the last term is 10. We get it as 13 multiplied to this becomes 44 by 2, nothing but 22, 286. Now the third sub question. In this third question, what is the first term? It is negative 5. What is the common difference? Negative 8 minus of minus 5. It becomes negative 3. So I need to find n using this an. An is minus 230. This is nothing but l. So n I need to find, Sn I need to find. To find the value of n, I will use the formula a plus n minus 1 time of d is equal to an. A is negative 5 plus n minus 1 into negative 3 equal to negative 230. When this negative 5 is transposed, it becomes positive. So the resultant sum is negative 225. So n minus 1 will be negative 225 by minus 3. Negative, negative get cancels. 7 times and 6 times. Yes, 76. So n minus 1 is 75. So n will be 76. So yes, 76 will be n by 2, which is 76 by 2 times of first term plus the last term. We get it as minus, this will be 235 multiplied to this will become 38 times. So minus 8930 will be the sum of 76 terms. Now we have a third question. In this third question there are 10 sub questions. We shall solve them one by one. So let me consider the first one among these 10. They have given a value as 5. Common difference is given as 3. They have given the nth term. An is 50. Here we need to find the number of terms and the sum of number of terms. We'll use the formula an as a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is 50, which is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 time of d is 3. So n minus 1 time of 3 will be equal to 45. So n minus 1 is 15, n will become 16. So we need to find sum of 16 terms. It will be 16 by 2 times of first term plus the last term. First term is 5 and the last term is 50. We will be getting it as 8 times of 55. 8 times of 55 is 440. This will be the sum of 16 terms. Let us solve the second sub question. In the second question, we are given the first term 7, 13th term which is 35. We need to find out the common difference and also the sum of 13 terms. What does 13th term refers to? A13 equal to 35. This implies A plus 12D will be equal to 35. They have given the value of A. Using that, I can find we get 12 times of D equal to 35 minus 7, which is 28. So the value of D is 28 by 12, nothing but 4 7s are 4 3s are 7 by 3. Now we have to find out S13. S13 will be n by 2 times of A plus L. This formula will use. S13 will be 13 by 2 times of the first term 7 plus the last term. Here it is the 13 terms 35. So 13 by 2 times of 7 plus 35 is 42. We get 13 multiplied to 21. The result is 273. Let us take up question 3. In question 3, we are given the value of D common difference as 3, 12th term as 37. We need to find out A first term and the sum of 12 terms. Here A12 is 37, which also means it is the last term. A12 refers to A plus 11D, which is equal to 37. So using this, I can find the value of A. 11 times of 3. So A is 37 minus 33, nothing but 4. Now I have to find out sum of 12 terms. It is n by 2 times of A plus L. We get it as 6 times of 41, which is 246. Let us solve one more question, and the remaining questions we shall see in the next session. Fourth question. In the fourth one, we are given third term and the sum of 10 terms is 10 equal to 125. We need to find out the nth term A10 and also the common difference. A3 refers to A plus 2D and it is given as 15. So A will become 15 minus 2D. Let me use the formula for Sn. So it is 10 by 2 times of 2A plus n minus 1, which is 10 minus 1 into D. S10 is given as 125. This is equal to 5 times of 2A plus 9D. So I'll be getting 2A plus 9D as 25. Let me call this as equation 2. Let this be equation 1. I'll substitute equation 1 in equation 2. So in the place of A, I have to replace In the place of a I need to substitute, so I get 2 times of 15 minus 2d plus 9d equal to 25. So this becomes 30 minus 4 times of d plus 9d equal to 25. This implies this 30 taken this side, it becomes minus 5. So plus 5d equal to minus 5, d value will become negative 1. So we were asked to find the value of d and the 10th term. Value of d is found. Now find 10th term. A10 will be equal to a plus 9d. A value is found. A value is not found. Okay, a value is 15 minus 2 times of minus 1, so it becomes 17. So a value is 17. This value is 17, and the 10th term will be no, this is not a value. A value is 17. I'll write it here. So 17 minus 9, it becomes 8. So 8 will be the 10th term, and the first term is 17. Common difference is negative 1. With this, I'll end this session. This remaining questions, question number 5 onwards till 10, you can try it out. However, you'll be solving. That's all for today. Thank you.